Hi folks, I'm showing you how to hack the vacuum cleaner bag problem. As you can see, here's a vacuum cleaner. I just found it and someone was throwing it away apparently, but it still works. Great. The bag was full. Is that why they threw it away? Anyway, you see the bag? It's in there this way in this little device. And usually I just take the scissors and I cut it open just behind the seam that's sealed, melted, whatever they do. And then I just take it to my sewing machine and I fold this thing over just so, and then I stitch that all the way with the zigzag, and voila, done. Takes 5 minutes if you're set up with a sewing machine, if you know what you're doing. The bags are expensive and you can use them like a few times until the fabric here looks like a bit dirty even on the outside from lots of micro dust coming through, which your vacuum cleaner, if it's like one of those with a HEPA filter, is still gonna catch. But that's it. I'll show you the sewing process in a minute if you want. Okay. Here we're at the Sewing Central sewing machine, an old Husqvarna automatic. Found that like a few years ago in the trash or in the metal junk. Fully working, of course. Here's my vacuum cleaner bag, and well, I'll sit down and get right to it. I showed you the bag. This is where I cut it open, right behind the seam. I used the strength of the seam to use as a flap, and I'll just put that under there and have my zigzag set up. Oh, the pedal is under the table here. There's an old foot treadle underneath this. I use that sometimes. So, okay, the things you should set up before starting a video. Come on. It's pretty simple. If you want to stitch like that with the zigzag, it's easier to undo the seam again when you want to empty it the next time. So it grabs it nicely, and the reason why I did it on the far side of the bag is because all the suction will go this way, so if there's anything sucked through the stitches, which will be minute, and here we go. Simple as that. Done. Well, we're living in a really wasteful world, and all my vacuum cleaners came from the junkyard, and often it's just some part missing, like the pipe or the hose is broken, and I wait until I find good ones and I'll fix them. Here we have a perfectly new bag ready for use. You see? Oh, hope you enjoyed it, and save the vacuum cleaner bags, and don't throw out your vacuum cleaners when the bag is full.